Thanks to you, we get to preserve this amazing place we call home.
Thank you for all that you do to support nature. We and nature really appreciate it.
We are so grateful for all that you do to help look after our unique plants and animals.
Because of you, we can support vital conservation work on the ground.
Thank you for helping us conserve Australia's great southern seascapes. Without you, we couldn't do the work that we do.
Without you, none of our work to protect these wonderful woodlands would be possible. So thank you.
Together we're making a difference.
Thank you for all your support.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for supporting the Nature Conservancy Australia.